You might think that there is not much you can do with oats and sweet potato, but let me show you how to make scrumptious and guilt-free cookies using just these two ingredients and nothing else. Here is how to make sweet potato oatmeal cookies. Pierce the sweet potatoes with a fork 3 to 4 times and bake them in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. For a super fast way to cook a sweet potato, check out my other video here. I have also left the link in the description below the video. After 50 minutes, remove sweet potatoes from the oven and let them cool down a bit before peeling. For the best result, sweet potatoes should be thoroughly baked and nice and soft inside. Put the sweet potatoes in a mixing bowl and using an electric mixer or by hand, mix them until smooth without any lumps. Now add 1 cup of quick oats and keep mixing until well combined. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet or oven grid with aluminum foil or parchment paper. You can also use a silicone baking mat. Slightly coat the aluminum foil with some cooking oil so that cookies won't get stuck and can be easily removed after baking. Using a tablespoon or cookie scoop, make a dough ball and flatten it into a round disc. Place the discs on the aluminum foil, leaving a little space between each disc. Place the cookies in the oven and bake them for about 13 to 15 minutes. Once done, remove the cookies from the aluminum foil and let them cool down a few minutes before serving. These sweet potato and oat cookies have a deliciously chewy texture and naturally sweet taste from the sweet potato. You can also make your own version by adding raisins or mixing in some stevia, maple syrup, or coconut sugar. If you love sweet potatoes, then check out my other video here on how to make irresistibly crispy sweet potato chips in just a few minutes. Check it out now.